Everybody known of Black Diamond Services, so it's kind of hard to see, but you can kind of see a little bit of a discoloration look appearance here to the carpet. So what would happen a while back, this has probably been a year and a half or two ago, something happened here and they used hydrogen peroxide, Dawn dish soap, and baking soda. That was something that somebody told them to do, try to get up whatever happened here, and it looks like it kind of discolored the carpet. And that's a possibility from soap residue chilling in the carpet for so long that it caused this to happen, but I could be wrong, and so they called us last minute because of another company canceling. So I'm gonna see if I can blend this or if it's not permanent and that it will come out with our cleaning process. So wish me luck, but stay to see the results. Alright, so this is a separate room, but it does have a similar problem. Right in the middle of the frame here. Harder to see in this room because it's not as bad, but I am, based on the information she's given me, I am treating it the same way as the other one. And this carpet's pretty low nap. It doesn't really have much to it besides that slight texture, but because of the issue, mechanical agitation is gonna help, because if it is just deep-seated residues or anything like that, I want to make sure that it's thoroughly scrubbed before I extract it out, because apparently the previous company could not get it out, and of course that makes me want to get it out. It very well could be permanent at this point, so I didn't make any guarantees, but of course I always want to at least try to get it out, and hopefully what my thoughts are based on the information given to me, I can, make that happen. Maybe because there's a chemical imbalance in the carpet, and that's why they made it look the way it does, because that can happen. You use the wrong chemistry, or something sits for way too long and it wasn't neutralized, you can have issues. So that's what I want to find out, so I can see if I can make her a forever client. Okay, so now we're back into the room that has the issue. You can see there, so far the chemistry I've used hasn't altered the issue. So I'm hoping that once I rinse it out, that the carpet around this spot that was treated is just dirtier, and that it will blend, or at least look better. But there's really no way of knowing, because I only got some information, and of course it's been here for, it sounds like, a year and a half, 2 years. So I just have to do what I can with what I got, with what information that was received. And if we have success, then we'll be fine. But like I said, the company that had been coming out here in the past unfortunately canceled on her last minute, and she had everything moved out. And I'm doing technically a late job. It is now past 5 p.m. at this time, and we usually do our last time window between 1 and 3, but I felt bad, and after she told me a little bit about the situation and the spot, and that somebody else dropped the ball, I wanted to help, because of course I want to earn new clients, and I want to wow her with what we do. So I'm hoping that this will pan out with that spot more than anything. I know she'll be satisfied with the service, but of course getting out that pesky spot that somebody said wouldn't come out is always a plus. So that's why I'm taking my time. Let the pre-spray sit for a little bit and then CRB and all that, so we can get the best possible results. Alright, moment of truth. It's not looking like it's something that could come out. It is dirty right here, but unfortunately it's looking like something was done that's permanent. You can see, well, at least I could see in some of the areas right here, there's still something in the carpet because it's got really soapy in a couple areas here. Right there, you can see it coming through my side glass. It's kind of a bummer. I was really hoping I can fix the issue for her. Yeah, it's really soapy right there. So it's discolored. But I'm making sure it is super clean right here, and that I get whatever is remaining in the carpet out.